What's up guys, Stixx Picks here, back with a video, and in this video we are going to be picking the flea market, hopefully finding some nice things, but let's see what we can find.
I have some, but some old comics or magazines like 20 cents. It's pretty cheap. I haven't found much so far on that half so far. Like, see, this half is pretty dead, honestly. Like, people are still setting up, and most people aren't even like taking the stalls. So, most people are on this half. How much is the snowboard?
Don't be an offer, I don't care. I want to get rid of it.
I was just wondering.
$5, bro.
$5? I mean,
$5? I'd buy it off you.
$5, bro.
That's what I'm saying. I've been going snowboarding recently. I'll get it for $5.
For sure, bro. I got you for $5, bro.
It's good.
I don't know how good it is. I got it at the Goodwill.
Sold that for $2?
I got it at the Goodwill.
Yeah, thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem.
I appreciate it. How much you had asked on the PS4?
I have yours
150,
forever, right?
All right.
You basically gave me yours.
It's a good price, man. Everyone's selling this for like $200.
Oh yeah. I'm just wondering. $5 for this, I think, is a solid deal. And then also, what is it like? I don't know if they call it bearings. You get the that, and then you get the boots on here, so it shouldn't be too much to do all of that. Yeah, I just want this one. How much you asking for yours?
Huh?
How much you asking for yours?
Penny.
Yeah, I just need one though. I think I'm good with this one. Thank you though. See, I guess I could save a little money if I like, you know, go snowboarding. It's not too expensive, honestly, to rent the snowboards. Like, I can rent a snowboard and all like the gear from the snowboard place for like $40, I think, for the 2 days it said, which, you know, obviously is kind of expensive and adds up because it's like my third time going now. So what? That's like $120. So if I just get this, the boots, then I'll have to rent that stuff. How much for the game?
$1 each.
All right.
His house, and she had a shed, but her cousin built a shed in the backyard. And he said, all the walls were those signs bolted together. And he got them all really cheap. The one he has in his backyard is
to be lucky sometimes.
Yeah. I've never been quite that.
Man.
It's just a small area, maybe 10 houses, okay? And these were patio houses.
Dang, I wish that game wasn't scratched itself. I wish it was not scratched. That was a solid game. I think Mario Party, or not, if that was Mario Party 8 actually in there, you know, it's a $25, $30 game. But I think Super Mario Bros. New Wii, I think that's also like $20 itself too. Alright guys, I'm finished walking around honestly, but let's walk around with the pirate. Let's see what the pirate does walking around. Let's monitor the pirate. What, Dad?
Sweats maybe for you. It's always good to, you know, brighten up your wardrobe a little bit.
Oh,
the blue jacket
good.
kind of looks like your red one.
Yeah, if it was actually my size, I'd get that jacket. Would you go 5 on it?
Sure, I'll take it. I'll take 5.
Yeah, thanks, sir.
Thank you. But look, this is like not brand new, but it's great. The boxes are always messed up, but this is like a $30 sale. I still would have bought it for 10, but you know what? 5's better, huh?
But they don't. Your videos don't get taken down though, like copyright or anything.
I don't know. You're only gonna get copyrighted if you play music or if you use it.
How much on the shirt?
I looked at that for you, but it was medium.
$2?
$2
Oh.
for you. I'm selling it for $3.
Heck yeah, I'll buy that. How much on this Lego set?
Which one are you looking at?
This Super Mario one?
I think that one he got there's $74 on there, bro. But I'll sell it for $60, bro.
All right. How about this for Harry Potter one?
I want to say that one is $50.
Let's see. Let's check. I think you said they have like a price on it somewhere.
Yeah, so, yeah, most of them got the price written on there.
Let's see a
So I'm
price.
selling them for somebody. So
Oh, they're
whatever
right there,
price.
50.
Oh yeah.
So it says 50 on there.
Yeah. All right.
How much you got to spend?
I was just like curious. You got any single packs today?
George, you got any single packs? You open a pack for you, owe it, bro.
Oh, really? You open one? You don't gotta do. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank
You
you.
owe it, bro.
Oh yeah, I'll buy it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you know how we treat you, bro.
Yeah, I appreciate it. How much you asking that Thor hammer Lego set?
For you, 40 bucks.
All right.
Tell your dad
see.
he steals me that hat.
Come by the warehouse.
I told him, but he never did. He came by earlier, but he had too much. He was talking with someone else. I didn't want to. You know what I mean?
Come by the warehouse. That Lego set is damn near worth buying. I want to look it up real quick. 40 bucks. I bet that's $100. Like that one.
For the broken one.
With the manual. How much for the game?
Yeah.
Probably 5.
I'll come back. $5?
All right.
I'll let you get set up and come back around and grab
Okay.
some more stuff. But I'll take that back there and I'll be back.
Okay.
How much you asking on this one?
25. Comes with the car, the box.
All right, all right. How much you asking on the Zelda game?
For these ones, 40, and 35 these ones.
All right. How much on the Switch?
240, everything. The complement. Charger, original charger, this one. And the Joy-Cons. The straps.
Yeah, all right.
Is that the light or is that the?
That's the Switch. That's one I
Yeah, the
have.
switch.
Is there a charger with it too? Is this-
Yeah, original charger. I have everything, but they have here.
Oh, okay. How much for this DS?
70. The charger.
All right. How much is that on this?
Like,
5?
your mouth is really small. You know what?
It took me a while to sell it though, but it did sell for like 20, 25 bucks, I think.
And that's it. That's the whole video. If you guys have watched this whole video, thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. Put a heart in the comments if you actually made it this far. I like to see who's watched the whole video. I'd really appreciate it if you can actually let me know. It's harder to find things on Saturdays. I try, but only half the flea market's open. And there's the usual sellers normally there, like the usual every weekend, same item sellers. And I'm looking for the people that just brought a storage unit or something. We tried though. We found a little something.